Have you ever been working on something and you're trying to figure out, do I really know about farm and ranch, or are there special things we need to consider? We have Meagan Campion here with us, and she is going to help us understand. She has a class, Farm and Ranch 101. Meagan, is there any important information in there?
There's a little bit, absolutely. So, farm and ranch is just a different beast than commercial or residential or anything else that you deal with. You can be talking about not only selling the property, but herds of cattle or tractors and implements. And there could be so many other variables that go into it. So, it's very important to know how all the pieces fit together to be able to best service your clients.
Ooh, that's cool. So that's maybe the reason why I should come take your class?
Well, I think the reason to come take the class is basically me, but also the amount of information and the networking that comes from this class is phenomenal. A lot of times I co-teach it with Sterling Fryer, who is not only a broker, but also an appraiser in the San Angelo, Texas area. And he is just a wealth of knowledge to help agents understand the role of an appraiser in these transactions and how we all need to work together to make sure we see them to the finish line.
What's different about this? What will I get out of this, Megan?
So this is an introductory class, and it really helps highlight the differences that Farm and Ranch has. It will talk about how you might be getting out of your truck in a dress and heels and putting on your snake boots, and how you might need different photography because it's a large property and you need to see the whole thing. How mineral rights might affect a large tract of land that's producing, and also how appraisals might be a little bit different and the factors that go into those. Like you might be selling the cattle and the tractors and the dog along with the property.
Awesome. Awesome. So we have these classes coming up. I hope people will join us. Thank you, Megan, for giving us an idea of maybe why we should show up and interact.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.